How long does it take elephant ear bulbs to sprout? Elephant ear plants have leaves that resemble an elephant's ear. Bulbs can be left in the ground in areas of Florida, but in other areas the bulbs are lifted from the ground. Sprouting times vary depending on how the bulb is overwintered. Stored tubers. Tubers removed from the ground in fall and stored will sprout after 8 weeks. Packing bulbs in peat moss and storing in a cool place with temperatures between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit will promote sprouting. Container tubers. Tubers planted in containers indoors after being in storage for at least 6 weeks will take about 4 weeks to sprout. The tubers can be transplanted outdoors when the weather warms. Ground tubers. Tubers left in the ground in central Florida, where the winters are mild, will continue to grow. In other areas of Florida where tubers can be left in the ground, sprouts are seen in about 3 to 4 weeks after the last frost.